Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alright, we're doing a $10 session with $250. Playing double poker. Alright. See if we win some money. Hey, start off with jacks. Ace. Okay, you could go like this, try the inside straight, but I don't like that. I'd rather just try to get those guys. Good check. Okay, we got sevens. Ooh, four of a kind would be a couple $1,000. Here you got a king. Ooh, another close one. Got sixes. Alright, we're trying to get a quad. We got fours here. Two more fours. No. Okay, we got jacks. Two more jacks. Alright, sixes. Hanging in there, but nothing big. Queens. Two more. Come on, baby. Okay, kings. How about two more kings? Alright, sniffing around. Got fivers. Okay, last pull. No, aces. Two more aces. 20,000. Keep going. Okay, we got fives. Come on, baby. That's nothing.
Live life 365